Okay, hello everyone. First of all, welcome to my section over here. Good morning. So if you're here with me, appreciate if you can type one for me, please. Or maybe just give me a like button so help me to share this out. All right. So today we're going to continue to look into the overall market sentiment. Of course, it has been pretty so-called bearish, okay, for the past 2 days ago. But let's see, okay, what is the other opportunity that we have? Of course, morning wise 9 to 9:30, before I start this section here, market remains to be very so-called quiet. Okay, so hopefully later on we'll be able to spot something. Now before I continue my section over here, just a quick disclaimer, this section here is I'm not doing any buy and sell call. So if you want to trade any stocks based on this discussion this morning, make sure your own trading plan. If not, just get advice from the professional. Okay. Now let's start with the overall FBM KLCI. Okay, I believe the KLCI yesterday it didn't hold well on the gaps. Okay, and like I say, I still prefer them to continue to hold around 1620 area. Okay, so if let's say this area didn't hold, technically I can say it's a bit of a so-called danger zone because most probably they will try around this range again later on. Okay, so I probably want to avoid this kind of side break. Okay, unless you look into the individual stocks, individual stock, let's say the sector itself is moving, the trend is good, then probably you want to try it out. But overall, market probably going to be sideways again. Okay, so the best is that holding around 1680 right now. Okay, then later on they will try back 1620. So 1620 for me is kind of like a safer zone again to look for opportunity, or maybe you want to enter more, okay, into the market. Okay, so this is some of the plans that I have at the moment. Okay, now let's do into the overall so-called indices, the sectors right now. Okay, of course, mostly is in green. Okay, mostly is in green. But mostly is, I think they are doing a technical rebound. Okay, so if you look into like technology, okay, because yesterday and 2 days ago they dropped a lot, especially yesterday. Okay, so technical rebound is quite normal to happen, okay, during this kind of day, but doesn't mean that it will straight away shoot up, make a reversal. So sometimes you have to be careful. So whenever it dropped the high volume, right, the next day I will see whether the up bar, the candles, is wide narrow or high volume or not. Okay, let's say it's narrow candle, it didn't come with high volume, especially low volume, then I know this is probably just a technical rebound. It's not showing a pullback complete. It didn't mean it's a pullback complete. Probably it's gonna take time, okay, to make the next round reversal. Okay, so again, if you are more into like shorter opportunity, well, I think yes, okay, this kind of day is pretty good. But if you are like me, I'd like to hold to run for the next trend. Probably this is something that I will stay away and monitor market first. Okay, now industrial not so nice as well. Let's do into the hot one. Property and constructions, right? Okay, property, like I say, hit the main resistance. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Looks like now pulling back already. So while like I say, now it's still early in the morning. Okay, today so far the green candles, most of them is narrow candle. Okay, I still cannot tell whether it's high volume, low volume because it's just the first 30 minutes. We're gonna look into that maybe around 3 or 4 p.m. Okay, let's see construction. Construction, I think yesterday also make a deep pullbacks. Okay, so while here, looks like a shooting star. Okay, pulling back. Okay, so probably around 20 MA areas should be quite good and safe. Okay, now unfortunately I don't have much counters for today, but probably I'll share with some of the stocks that we do talk about in the telegrams and some of the stocks that I actually do trade. If you are following some of the trades, probably just get a quick updates over here. Emulus cut ready. Okay, YTI also take profit already. I thought you're going to break higher. Actually aiming 2.8 above. Okay, but in the end it didn't. Okay, so I exit everything already on my YTL. Okay, so Emulus. Okay, yep, I don't like that. Okay, whenever drop high volume break support, it's not that great. Okay, or maybe sometimes the shakeout will take a little bit of time. Okay, so let's say if you're not sure about support resistance, okay, use the strength signal over here. Okay, the strength signal actually will provide you where's the area of support level. So whenever you break, you know that the trend is getting weaker already. So another reasons why I exit the trade. Okay, now let's look into ECA, I'm still holding, but slightly a bit dangerous already. Okay, so need to watch out very, very closely for ECA. Now let's look into JHM. Okay, JHM also going into the 40 MA already. Today still holding somewhere around here. Okay, but for me, they're actually still okay, right? But just that markets like that, okay, maybe you go to sideways again for another few weeks somewhere around this range over here for JHM. Okay, YTL. Okay, do let me know any counters that are looking into. Like I say, I don't have anything today. Just do a quick update of some of the counters that we have. Okay, yesterday dropped with increasing volume. It's not the highest volume, increasing volume. But I think it will go on to retest lower. Okay, probably this gap over here is somewhere that probably I will look for my next opportunity if I'm still interested in KIT. Okay, so around 2.25 lah. Okay, 2.25 area. So this is the gap area. It's also very close to the 40 MA right now. Okay, so let's say I go around this area over here. MTech I didn't enter, but I was watching it. Okay, it looks like they are still respecting around the 40 MA lah. Huh? So the other day dropped with high volume also, but subsequently they are actually holding more somewhere around this area. So it's a counters that I haven't entered yet, but probably next round. Okay, I will look into it. Okay, because now I try to get back my cash a little bit first. Okay, then we wait for the next opportunity. Okay, let's look into Anju. But still, no, still recently is a bit quiet already. Yeah. Okay, but I'm not sure about Anju. Oh, okay. Yeah, I think you asked me before that, right, Joel? In the group or in the Facebook, I can recall. Okay, now, Anju, I can say the background is very nice. Okay, because, okay, this is a downtrend. Okay, it looks like now they are sideways, building a base. Okay, we got one strength, 2, 3. Okay, so technically they are going into a phase of like a reversal or accumulation. But how long it's going to take, I'm not sure because still cannot tell from the chart. But overall, I think they are kind of like building the base already. So this is something that I can share with you. Okay, if assuming you're looking for entry purpose. Okay, so well, the other thing is that what I can say is that the risk is kind of low because it's still in the early reversal or accumulation phase. Okay, so if you got patience one, I think this is something that is good to look into. Okay, now this is a bit similar like PPHB. Okay, PPHB also notice here reversal. Okay, reversal, high volume. Okay, we got 1, 2, 3, and 4 strength. Okay, so kind of like building a base somewhere around there. Okay, so even though this few days market like starting off right, but this few guys are steady only. Okay, over there. Okay, didn't impact that much. Okay, so yeah, this is something that I think for next one I will look into. Okay, these few counters over here because I realized that they are kind of like steady in this kind of weak market, so-called the weak market. Okay, welcome Joel. Okay, now this is another one interesting one, but I'm not sure why the volume is getting higher. I'm not sure whether got any news on EMCC. If yes, do let me know. This one also previously trade before like back in one round but I'm watching back again because I do see a nice reversal from here building, and we have like a 3 strength signal after the reversal, right? But one thing weird, I'm not sure why the volume is very high. Even though now today, okay, if I zoom in, okay, if I zoom in, right? Okay, even though now it's the first hour, first 40 minutes of the day, but volume is quite high already for me. Okay, something interesting is happening in EMCC. Okay, what I do, I think I put my insider buy and sell. Let's see got anything that we can see. Okay, no. Insider buy and sell happens somewhere around here. This is the top low, but it's only 200,000 units. Okay, and Datin, Dato Low and Datin T, okay, buying around these 2 areas. So the rest insider didn't really buy. Okay, so I'm not sure whether it's the operator taking some action or not. Hopefully, okay, hopefully. But looks like a nice reversal pattern. Okay, it's forming somewhere around the areas. Okay. All right. Any other counters that you want me to look into? Okay, like I said, today is a boring day. Nothing much. United Plantation, Argia, Cow Point or Argia, no need lah. This is sometimes what we call illiquid stocks. Okay, so the chart pattern is not that nice actually. So Cow Point, okay, I think so far today my alerts was only Cow Point. Hey, got some insider buy from time to time. Dato Wira Chong, okay, Mr. Yu, Era Jasa Kita. Okay, so here, okay, still the same. Okay, and here recently also still the same. The insider is buying it. Cow point. Okay. Not sure got anything happen on it, but okay. The trend still nice. I want to try to say. Okay, the trend is still nice. Okay. So the other one I think is IT Max. Okay, so some of the stocks actually formed hammer yesterday. Also worthwhile to pay attention to if they are holding well above the hammer. Okay, so one of them IT Max break resistance. Yesterday formed a hammer, dip one. Okay, then push back. Investor today holding well around the hammer. I think it's a good sign. The other one is Marsing. Okay, Marsing, I think just someone I checked still holding. Yeah, so this one is still holding. Okay, but property make a deep pullback, so that's why resistance a bit dangerous. Okay, so here, but looks like they are kind of like testing. Okay, somewhere around this area over here, 1.80. Okay, so it's a good area. Okay, for us to focus if you are interested. Okay, in Marsing and properties right now. Okay, so let's say there's no questions. Probably we'll end our section this morning. Let's see just a quick update overall. Market still boring. Okay, so but if you want to join my Telegram, from time to time if I spot anything, or maybe we spot any potential reversals happening in Bursa, we'll give an update in Telegram. So with this, thank you, and I'll see you again next week.